Greetings, this is the instrument sidekick video for the alto saxophone, page 18. 2 more notes. Page 18, 2 more notes. Time to learn some new notes, okay? Before it mentions that, it also mentions that this is a white belt test page. White belt test page. So that means I test things in band using kind of like a martial arts kind of system. So keeping track of how far people are using colored belts. All right, so this page is the white belt test. Now, if you're watching this video and really figuring this out and you successfully figure it out, you can test for white belt in our next lesson. Tests are always done in the lessons. This is a memory test though, so if you learn this video during a lesson, obviously everyone can successfully have memorized something they just learned 1 or 2 minutes ago, so it would still have to be the next lesson after that, okay? You can't be in the same lesson that you memorize it. All right, but if you're checking out this video ahead of time and you're doing the work and you show up to your lesson, and you'll be rewarded with the fact that you can test for white belt. Now, what the test is I call out the names of 5 different notes that you've learned. You've already learned B, A, and G, and on this page, you're going to learn C and D. So you'll have known 5 notes. If you have those notes memorized, you can play them correctly on command. So if I can say, play a C, and you play a C. Play a D, play a D. Play an A, play an A. You know, just always like know exactly what fingers to press down without needing to look at your fingers, without needing to look up the fingerings of the notes. If you have to do those things, you don't pass the test yet. What's great though is then that means you can still test just the next lesson. All right. So testing for white belt is once you've learned these 2 new notes. So we have the C, which is the 3rd space up. And you'll see that you do not press your first finger. It's your second finger only. Do not press the first finger. It's your second finger only. All right. So don't get confused. You know, B is your first finger. A is your 1 and 2. C is just your second finger. All right. Now, D is the first of your notes. It's the 4th line up there that uses this. You see that little O? That stands for the octave key. Okay. So you got to press the octave key that's in the back there. And then all 6 of the fingers. So all your fingers in your right hand, all the fingers in your left hand, and the octave key. All right. So we have C, which is just your second finger. Oop, gotta be in the right spot there. Okay, so remember, skip a key 1, skip a key 2 and 3. Okay. Second finger only, none of those. This is a C. Okay, and then D, you're going to need your octave key, so your thumb presses this key next to it. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, and 6. All those keys down, not pressing any of the side keys, so your fingers coming all the way around. All right, this is your D. C. D. And then B, A, and G still. So you have D, C, B, A, G. And G, A, B, C, D. Okay, so you need to be able to play all 5 notes and have those memorized. So see if you can work on that. Practice, practice. Have a friend call out different patterns of those 5 notes. Tell them, so if a friend says, play A, G, C. Okay, see if you can play them back, all right? Really try and test yourself by throwing out random letters and seeing if you can play those notes. All right, good luck. Practice, practice, practice. Have fun. And may the force be with you.